What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just like you know, my name is Olaoluwa. I am a brand developer at Option Digitals. On this YouTube channel, I teach you guys ways you can make money, how things can work for everybody, the things that you can always do on your own, even as a business person. On this channel, I show you how to grow and develop your business as an individual as well. So today, I'm going to be talking about how to make $50 per day as a freelancer writer. So if you're a writer out there, you are very good in writing, you can write content, you can develop content for anything, you can write anything as a writer generally. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your skill as a freelancer and make close to $50 per day as a freelancer writer. So today I'm going to be walking you through websites you can make money for yourself as a freelancer writer. So I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on this platform, what the platform is all about, and how you can grow as a freelancer writer on this platform. So but before then, I'm going to be sharing with you my slide, things aside from this website which I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you how to make money aside from freelancing on this particular platform I want to show you. So the first thing I want to show you right here at this slide, so how to make money writing online. So if you want to make money online, basically you can turn yourself to become a blogger. So what does a blogger basically do? So a blogger, what they do is they put content out there. Probably a story is coming out, so they can easily write content, put a lot of words together to make it a story out there. So and with that, when they do that, when they have a blog channel whereby they post some of their blog posts out there, so the moment their post get some audience, they can easily submit their blog channel to Google. So Google basically be paying them for the traffic they are bringing to the platform. So with that, you can make a lot of money for yourself. Even with that, you can make close to $200, $500 per month from Google AdSense. So you want to try working as a blogger. So these are the ways you can make money as a writer. So number one is by you creating posts or content for yourself. So probably you can, on your channel, you can designate particularly this is what you want to be talking about on this platform. So you can just be picking story, probably some nice story you can always write, interesting story that people will always love to read. So by you doing that, you are bringing people, you are sharing your post to people out there, so they can always come on the platform and they read. So the more people are coming to your platform, and when you have already submit your Google channel, I mean your website or any platform you are using to write your content, if you submit those the website to Google, and the more traffic is coming to the website whereby you are posting your content online, the more money you are making online right there. So you can make close to $500 by you putting your content out there. So another thing you can always do is to create posts for others. So there are a lot of companies out there who need somebody to be writing content, because anybody that has a website out there, for the website to grow, they need to be consistent in posting content online. So probably they don't have anybody that can write content for them, so you can always get the job from them by you putting out content for them. You be the one to create the content and you send to them, and they pay you for writing content for them. So another thing you want to do is to make sure that you choose a niche. So you don't want to sell to everybody, you want to have a particular niche. Probably the story you usually write all about is love. So if you can write a lot about love, so it's more nice if you focus on that niche that you are writing your post to. So with that, you have more focus, you have more inspiration about what you want. So you don't just go and be going there and there. So when you have a specific niche you are writing post for, so with that you can make a lot of money for yourself, because you are more focused, and being focused will really help you to grow by writing online. So another thing you want to do is to publish an ebook. So right there, probably you have a story in mind you want to write, so you can easily do your writings as an ebook. So anybody that is getting the ebook from you, you can monetize it. Probably you're selling the book for 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. So the more people are downloading the book, they are paying you before they get the book. So if you are very good in writing, you can create content that people will always want to read. How dare people read these days? They want to read some funny things, they want to read something that is more interesting. So you can go out there and create an ebook, or even you can get a company, probably they need somebody to create an ebook for them, so you get paid for even you creating an ebook for them. So with that, you can make money for yourself online. So another things you can do to make money online as a writer is to write script for video creators. So we have a lot of movies industry out there that when you see the movies, it's a different person that writes the script. It's a different person that write the story. I mean, that write the story, or the different person that produce the movie. So you want to work as a script writer or as a writer of the story itself. So either of it, you can make money. And even there are some YouTubers out there that they always need people to write content for their video. So YouTubers at times they always need a writer to write content for them, so that they can improve and be more focused about the things they do. So basically, before I show you those websites as well, you can make money by writing online. So these are another ways you can make money for yourself. So by you creating post content for yourself, so by you creating posts for others, that means you are working for somebody. So you have to make sure that you have a niche, the particular niche you are promoting your writings to, so that it help you to be more focused about your posting online. So another thing is to publish an ebook. So if you have an ebook out there, you can monetize your ebook. As much as people are downloading, getting your ebook, as much as you are making money for yourself. So another thing is to write a script for video creators. So you can write scripts for the movie industry, for any movie company out there, anybody that's trying to put a movie out there. So you as a writer, you put your creativity together to write the story, and everything works together. So kindly try all of this, as this is going to help you to earn money online. So another the first website I'm going to be showing you today is called Digital Ocean. So just like you can see here, it's a write for donation. So on this platform you can write. So they need writers who can always write on their platform, because they have a lot of audience that people come there and read some information, because it's actually a community page. So people come on this platform, they read information, they read articles and all of that. So you want to apply on this platform as a writer. So when you put a post out there, you'll be paid. When your post, when your writings is approved, you're going to be paid for it. So from then people can easily be reading your writings and you get paid for it. So what you want to do on this platform, which is Digital Ocean, I'm going to be dropping the link below this video how to apply exactly on this platform. So what you want to do is to click on apply now, and the moment you click on apply now, you are going to be shown another page whereby you are going to put your details and you submit every information. So with this, they are going to get back to you. After they get back to you, they will announce to you that you have been successfully chosen as one of their writers. So after that, you begin to write posts for them, become one of their writer, and with this you can make close to $50 to $100 per post, per writings you do on this platform. So what you want to do is to click on apply, which you just did, and submit this form. So after submitting the form, they are going to get back to you, and after that you get started with them and you start earning money writing on this platform. So as you can see here, you see they can easily pay you. There's a payment structure. So if you scroll down here, you see how much they can make by you just writing on this platform, depending on how consistent and the kind of content you are putting out there. So this is $300 per tutorial. So we have a lot of things here. 75, we have 150. So depending on what you are doing, that's how you are going to pay you. So another website I'm going to be showing you right now is called Upwork. So I'm very sure you must have heard about Upwork before, and if this is the first time of hearing about Upwork, so Upwork is a freelancing platform. So people who need service come on this platform, people who can render the service come as well on this platform, they meet together. So this platform connects people together. So a lot of people are on this platform that need people who can write for them. So you see right here we have writing and translation. So what you want to do on this platform is, for instance, let's say I need somebody to write for me, for instance. Now, so I can just put a writer. So if the moment I put writer, so you see apply to job posted by clients. So that means some clients are out there that they post out there that they need somebody to write for them. You understand? So if you click on this, it's going to take you to a page whereby you see the post of people who need writers. As you can see here, copywriter required for a page of a essay productive website. So see the amount they are willing to pay. So this is $250. So if you read through the information on this website and you meet with their requirements and you apply with them, so fortunately when you get the gig, you are going to be paid $250 for just doing by just writing on this platform. You see, this gig is just posted 10 minutes ago, so and it's $250. So that is the fixed price they are going to pay you. So another one is here, just $50. So depend on the kind, anyone you want, and they have the criteria for anything on this platform. So what you want to do on this platform is to sign up as a freelancer writer, and you have the opportunity to apply for any job of your choice on this platform. So the moment you do that, you can make money for yourself by writing for these people who need your service out there, and you can make a lot of money for yourself. So there are see, this is content for a website, so you can make close to $1,000 for writing on this platform only. So you can imagine how much $1,000 can do for you by you just applying for this job. So there is nothing like if you finish working for this client and you are not paid. You see right here we have 16,071 jobs on this platform. So you can imagine you have a lot of jobs on this platform. So just apply for anyone you know you have ability to do on this platform, and they are going to pay you after you finish the project with no problem at all. So what you want to do on this platform right here is to sign up as a freelancer. So I made a video recently as well on how to sign up as a freelancer on Upwork. So you want to go ahead and watch the video. So you sign up on this platform and you have the opportunity to apply as a freelancer copywriter to write for this company and make money for yourself. So kindly try this, as this is going to help you to make money for yourself writing on Upwork.com. So another website I'm going to be showing you right now is called Container. So Container is right here. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. See, as you can see here, we have the #1 site for writing professionals. So this platform is basically meant for professional writer. You see, powerful tools and proven training to launch your writing career. So what you want to do on this platform is to click apply to join Container. So there are a lot of writers on this platform. So what you want to do as well is to join this platform and start making money for yourself by just writing for people who need writers online. So there are a lot of companies out there who need somebody who can write for them. So if you are very good in writing, and even if you've not started writing for anybody out there, so you can apply to join Container on this platform. So when you click on join here, they are going to take you to a page whereby they are going to do a little bit of survey for you. So as you can see here, see apply now, simple 5-minute survey. So the survey is actually meant for them to know who you are exactly, your level as a freelancer writer. So they're going to send you some survey which you are going to do on this platform, and you are good to go by you just writing on this platform. So another website you want to go to make money as a freelancer is called Freelance Writing. So Freelance Writing, I'm going to be dropping the link below. As you can see here, it said I'm a writer, I want to hire a writer. So this platform is actually meant for freelancers. So what you want to do as a freelancer writer out there is to click get started. So just like you see right here, we have freelance writing job, journalist, content copywriter, blogging gigs. So we have a lot of jobs out there which has been posted on this platform, even as of today, November 4. So you can see right here there are different kind of job you can do on this platform. So what you need to do if you are interested in any job on this platform is to click on apply now, and you are going to apply. So when you do that, you are going to ask you to create your own account whereby you used to sign up on this platform and apply for this particular project. So what you want to do is to click on apply. When you click on apply, it's going to take you to a page whereby you are going to apply here. Say apply here. So when you do that, it's going to take you to your Indeed account. So from here, what you need to do is to click on sign in. because I already have an account with them. Sign in or upload your account. So what you need to do is to sign in or upload your account. So with you doing that, you start working for this company. Your job, make money on the platform. So what you want to do is to go to this platform and start writing as a freelancer for them, and you get paid for any job you do on this platform. So you can work with them remotely, you can work with them if you actually you can, their work is mostly a lot of time remotely. So anyone that you see that is not remotely, don't apply for it. So the one you want to apply for is a remote job that you can do anywhere you are in the world. So kindly go ahead and click. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well, freelancewriting.com. So with this, you can make money for yourself writing on this platform. So another website I'm going to be showing you today is called Change Agent. So just like you see right here on this platform, what they do is that they train adult people. So they train adult people who can't go to school anymore. So they need some writing which they can always do for them. So what do you need? They need you to do on this platform is to create a publication. So on each publication you create for them, you are paid $50 as a stipend. So what you do on this platform is to create content. They're going to give you a topic and go ahead and write some write-up on it. So if your publication is approved, you are going to be paid $50 for 2 to 1,000 words you write on this platform. So you want to go ahead and apply as a freelancer writer on this platform. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So kindly go ahead and sign up on this platform so you too can start writing and making money as a freelancer writer. So that is all I have for you today. So I need you to go ahead and visit all these websites. I'm going to be dropping their link below this video as well. So kindly apply on this platform, as this is going to help you to make close to $50 to $100 or even more as a freelancer writing online. And don't forget all these things I listed right here. So to making money as a freelancer, aside from you writing for all this platform, so you can make money by creating posts for yourself. Have a blog channel whereby you can always put your posts. So you can create posts for others, a company who made a writer for them. So you need to choose a niche so that you have to be more focused. So you can publish an ebook. So with you publishing an ebook, people get to pay you before they download your ebook. So you can work as a script writer for video creators. So with this, all of this, you can make money for yourself. So thank you guys for joining me today. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video, and also like and share this video so as to reach out to more people out there. So guys, thank you for joining me today. See you next in my next video.